Hello guys! Hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin is about coffee. I have a question. Coffee lover ka ba? Gusto mo ba ng brewed coffee na hindi ka gumagamit ng coffee maker? And tight ba ang budget mo para sa brewed coffee? Kung ang sagot mo sa mga tanong na yan ay oo, well, panoorin mo tong channel na to dahil may share ako sa yung tips kung paano natin tayong mga coffee lover, kung paano natin ma-enjoy ang brewed coffee without using any machine or without using any coffee maker. And also, if you like this video, please do me a favor. Please click the like button, share this video, and kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button as well, so that you will be updated for more videos like this. Umpisa na natin. If coffee lover ka and brewed coffee ang trip mo, well, I have a solution for you. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng coffee maker or any other espresso machine for you to have a brewed coffee of your own. So, I discovered this coffee when I'm at the mall, and sobrang napabilib talaga ako dito sa product na to, and I get to enjoy a brewed coffee without even using a coffee maker. So, ito siya, guys. Introduce ko lang sa inyo. So, yan siya, guys. Coffee corner. So, it comes with packs. Nakapack na siya na ganyan. And then, the good thing about this, guys, is every sachet, it has coffee drip. Okay, I will show it to you guys. So, ito yung laman niya sa loob. Ayan. So, each sachet, sobrang bango niya, guys. So, ito, each sachet, it has a coffee drip, wherein, yun yung magsasala sa coffee, na-grind. So, what is Coffee Corner? Coffee Corner, they are selling wide varieties of coffee bean na naka-ganto na siya, drip bag, wherein, all you have to do is just pour hot water, and then you'll have your brewed coffee. And you can add like milk, sugar, it's up to you, it's up to your taste. So later I'll show you guys kung paano siya ginagawa. But for now, I would just like to have a disclaimer. So disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. Coffee Corner didn't pay me for this. This is just an appreciation video because sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga yung coffee nila. Okay? So yun nga. What are the good things of using this this drip bag coffee? So first, it'll save you energy in terms of electricity. So as I mentioned, hindi mo na kailangan ng coffee maker, so it'll save you the energy. It'll save you time because you don't have to go outside in a coffee shop to buy a brewed coffee. So you just have to, pour hot water in this drip bag, and then you'll have your brewed coffee in an instant. Also, it'll save you money for buying a coffee machine or a coffee maker, and also money for buying a cup of brewed coffee. So it's like 100 for a cup of brewed coffee, diba? Sa coffee maker naman, so around mga 1,000. So So there you go guys, ganun lang. That's how simple it is to have your own brewed coffee. Ganun lang siya kasimple, ganun lang siya kadali. Lagyan mo lang ng tubig, just wait for the water, yung water mismo na pumunta siya dun sa hot water, kumatas yung ground coffee. And then voila, you have your coffee. And there you go, that's it for now. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give me a like, a thumbs up, share this video if you find it useful. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos like this. And that's it for now. Always make good decisions and always keep safe. Again, my name is Raymond. Bye.
Wow.